There you go. Okay, so good morning. We are here with Piyush Jain from Unicops, one of SAP's partners here in the Partner Executive Council in India. We would like to talk today about social media, Piyush. So, generic open question is, are you using social media tools today already within your organization, and how are you leveraging them for your business? What is your actual usage of these tools?
Yeah, recently we just short time back we have started the social media tool, Facebook and all kind of blogs, and with this tool, connectivity with the people of professionalism and all kind of like-minded people are come across. And we have also generated few leads which our friends, colleagues and all professional people are in that company which requires ERP solutions and all that.
So that you use it also then to find where there can be some potential new customers, new leads coming from your contacts.
Yeah, we have just got only one lead. It is not closed yet, but it is likely to close within a week's time. That tool has given a real mileage to sit on the chair and your accessibility to many people, So that is giving a leverage nowadays. Technology has given a mileage to reach to the many customers.
So it's for you use it also for outreach to expand the potential number of customers that you can contact.
Yeah, we are using this. Our marketing team has taken an initiative. Previously, I was on the only Facebook and all that. So, but I have put my marketing team on this agenda that we have to explore as much as we can reach to the people.
Tell us more about this blog, this marketing activity that you are doing. How is it working out? What are the plans and strategy from your company?
Yeah, being a starter, we joined SAP practice with the B1 just 2.5 years back, and close to acquire 50 customers into 2.5 years back. We are from a different hardware division and all that, but getting to ERP, SAP ERP. Now gradually we are getting into A1, and I hope being a #1 partner in country for the last quarter in B1, we will stand to be top 3 partner within a year's time.
That's challenging time.
That fire we are having in the belly.
Okay, but how do you use social media then?
Social media, in marketing, we have already aligned with 2-3 tools of social media with our marketing team, and they just keep on upgrading all the informations of our organization, whether
it's more like for promotional activities through your marketing department.
Yeah, marketing activities are going like whatever the achievement of the organization in a ERP vertical is there. They just put on the blog, and the present customers also, whosoever is the present customer also, they can also talk on that how this ERP SAP have benefited to the customer.
So
that way this
also references.
References. As a references as a some kind of achievements which really value added to the customers. They also put on the blog that really their financial system have improved after using SAP, or inventory system has improved after SAP. So things have been little getting into more faster manner to have the faith in Unicops technologies, as well as that too, and faith in SAP ERP, who are the first generation ERP, who doesn't know what ERP is. Now they are really getting into the system.
Okay, so I understand you use social media for 3 things: networking, lead generation or demand generation, and also for collecting customer references.
Yeah.
What do you measure? I mean, do you measure the traffic, the volume, the behavior of the people that interact with your blog? What is it that you look forward to measure of the content that you put into these tools?
Can you repeat it again, please?
What is it that you measure? I mean, we said that you use social media for lead generation, demand generation, and also for marketing and for collecting references. So people access the blog, they put some content. What do you measure? Do you measure the traffic or the number of leads that you get, for example?
See, we try to measure that how much people are understand. It is not traffic only. Traffic doesn't pay good mileage to us.
That's a good point.
Point is that how much people wants to know about ERP. What ERP can really value add to the all business class family or some kind of a professional people who are sitting at a top positions in that company.
Okay.
How can be value added to that? Once they start asking about some kind of a different question of ERP, then we try to give them a reference of a different customers or quoting of the customer who have successfully implemented ERP and using the ERP. That will be measured. That our measure is that how the customer can be the new customer for ERP.
Okay.
This is the way we measure the customer.
Okay, that's a good point. So social media as a proof for already done implementations that you can show to new prospects and that can help you then close the sales cycle, basically. That's what I understand.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Thank you very much. Piyush, is there anything else you want to add? Any other comments?
Yeah, that tool is really, it is not only for business, social media, when we say social media is not only for business, what I understand. We have a social responsibility also,
Yeah, that's a
So,
good point.
It is not that I am running for business. So when I have come on the earth and God has given me opportunity to serve, so I should also serve through a social media that what can be the best practices to be used in life, not only for ERP,
That's good.
but it has to be the best way of learning, earning in a more ethical manner.
So sharing also life experience.
Yeah, life experience
That's
or
very
life
good.
commitments, and how can we really value add to the system.
That's very good point, Piyush. Thank you very much for your
It's
comments.
a nice meeting, sir. It's a
Nice
pleasure meeting with you people, and we will keep on meeting.
Yeah, nice
Thank
meeting
you
you
very
as
much.
well, and have a nice day here in Goa with the partner meeting.
Yeah,
Thank you very
definitely.
much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Let's see how it came out, Piyush.